there has to be two of everything. You see, there has to be a vessel made, and then the actual filling of that vessel. This comes down into Leah and Rachel. In other words, Leah had to be substituted first before Rachel. This is not like out of the blue. That's the bet in Bereshis, that there has to be two starts. And even as a follow-up, the last start is the start of the next evolution. So it's a continuum. And that's why the person who says Amen after the Amens is higher than the first sequence of amens. And what happens is that the external of the higher becomes the internal of the lower as you go down the chain. And so this is basically the whole thing. The whole thing is that it's bet. And I draw this bet. They usually make a bet with a resh and a vav. That's how you make a bet. Vav on the bottom. But I make a bet with a resh and a zayin on the bottom. And this gives 207, which is or Ein Sof. And so there's two of these, actually. There's two bets, Bereshis. And so it's 14, and that's or Ein Sof, or Vahavta, which is the first word of the 3 paragraphs in the Shema. And so here we are, understanding that there's two of everything. You see, so you have to set the stage. This leads me into something else, that there's a movement before the movement. You see, and so this preliminary movement, which is the actual movement? Is it the preliminary movement or the secondary movement? And this is the debate that goes on. But for me, everything comes in now from the two starts, the concept of duality in the singularity. See, the duality makes the singularity, and this is a deep concept.